Hi, so this video is to do a review of the Clek Liing infant cassettes. So when I was trying to decide between cassettes the first time I did a search online and I saw so many options and really I got kind of confused. But then I turned to family and friends to ask for their recommendation, and the top two that were recommended to me was the Clek Liing infant cassette and the Upper Baby Mesa V2 infant cassette. I eventually chose this Clek Liing reason for two main reasons. One, because of the load leg, which is an extra safety feature, which is not available in the Upper Baby Mesa V2, Mesa V2, and also because it's made in Canada, it's owned by a Canadian company, and as a proud Canadian, I felt it made sense for me to be patriotic and support a Canadian company. So now, let's go into the review. So the main thing for me, which was the selling point, was the safety feature, which is the load leg. And so first of all, I'll show you how to take the seat out of the base. You just hold this, pull this up and pull this white piece, and that's it, and push up, and that's how you take the cassette from the base. And now to the base. So the load leg, how it works is, normally it comes this way. This is how it would be. Yeah, this is how it comes. So installing your vehicle, you just pull this out, and you just need to make sure it's level with the bottom of your vehicle. To do that, you pull this up and drag this down. So you get to the bottom of your vehicle. When you get to the bottom of your vehicle, you need to adjust it to make sure this part turns green. And that's once it turns green, you know it's done correctly. So I'll just press this button on the lid. That means it's level, so then you're good. That means you install it securely. And then to install it, there are two options. There's a USB latch. This is the recommended option, which is what I use. And also you can use a seat belt. To use the seat belt, you just leave this up, pass your seat belt through this portion, lock it, and that's it. So I have another video on how to securely install the base in your vehicle, so you can check that out as well. Now to the other features in the base I love the recline feature here. You can recline the car seat according to the weight of your child. So when my kids came home, they were very tiny, so I adjusted it to use this part. So I adjusted up and down. That's how you adjust the recline based on the weight of your child. And now let's go to the car seat itself. This car seat, it has this huge sunroof, like you see how much coverage it has, and also it comes with a mesh back here, so you can look through and see your child to make sure they're doing okay. And also the car seats, one big feature for me too, why I got this one, was because of this insert, insert. I call it newborn insert. So when my kids came home, they were preemies, very tiny, from the NICU, so this helped them stay more comfortable and secure. That's what I used that for. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is how this pairs with a stroller. So for me, that was another selling point for picking the stroller over the competitor stroller. I used the Cybex Gazelle S stroller. So this is it. So this is how the Cybex Gazelle S stroller comes in the box. It comes with this basket. So I'll take it off now, because I'm going to show you the installation in twin mode. I have twins, and that's how I use it. And then you just, to put this Clek Liing cassette for this, you need to, first of all, because I'm doing the twin mode, you extend this bar, then you need an adapter. This stroller came with one pair of adapter. I had to buy a second one because I have twins. So this is the adapter. This is what it looks like. And you just click this here, click this part here, and then install your Clek Liing cassette. Because this part goes in there. It's as easy as that. And that's it. So assuming you have an older kid and a newborn, this is the setup you're going to use with the Cybex Gazelle stroller and the Clek Liing. But in my case, I have twins, so I needed two infant seats. So I would take this off and show you how I use it. Take this off. Then I pull the adapter. And then put the parts the same way. Yeah, so that's it. So that's the setup for twins. It's startable. Try the twins to see how it looks. That's how it looks. And to take it off, it's easy. Just the same way I showed you. Just lift this. To take off cassette, just lift this white part up, and that's it. That's how you take them off the cassette. So yeah, that's my review of my Clek Liing, and I know it also pairs well with some other strollers. But I chose this one because I have twins and I wanted the double mode. If you have any questions, just write them in the comment section and I'll reply, and I'll get back to you. Thanks. Bye bye.